All right, y'all. So this is the question number 3. This was a question that was asked yesterday. So this is question number 3 out of 7.1. Okay, y'all. So the first thing they're telling us here, they're asking us to use fundamental identities in the given information to find the exact value of the sine of alpha. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to note here, y'all, is that they're giving us the cosine, not of alpha, but they're giving us the cosine of negative alpha. Okay, so y'all, what I did is I took my notes from 7.1 right here, and I want you to notice something. Right here, y'all, and they're under the even and odd identities, we know that the cosine of negative theta is the same thing as the cosine of theta. So what I'm going to say here, y'all, is that the cosine of negative alpha, that's going to be the same thing as the cosine of alpha, okay? And we know that's because from the even and odd identities, and we know that the cosine of negative alpha is 3 square roots of 10 over 10, okay? Y'all, the other thing that we know is that the cosine of alpha is always the x value divided by the r value, right? So, y'all, if we do a little stare and compare, we can say x is 3 square roots of 10. Let's see, 3 square roots of 10, and r is 10, okay? So what I'm going to do over here, y'all, I'm going to go to my next slide. Let me see if I can move that over, move that over. Okay, so x is 3 square roots of 10, and r is 10. And what I want to do, y'all, I want to see if we can find a value for y. So with the Pythagorean theorem, y'all, we got x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So we have 3 square root of 10 squared plus y squared equals 10 squared. Okay. So y'all, this is going to give me 9 times 10, okay, plus y squared equals 100. And 9 times 10 is 90, okay, plus y squared is equal to 100. So if we subtract 90 on both sides, y'all, we're going to get y squared is equal to 10. So then y will be the square root of 10. Now the reason we want that, y'all, is because we are looking for the sine of alpha. And y'all remember, the sine is the y divided by the r. So now we can say sine of alpha is the square root of 10 over 10, okay? And y'all, I'm going to go ahead and check my answer. So let's come back this way, and let's put it here. Let's do a fraction. Let's go square root of 10, okay? And on the bottom, let's put 10. And oops, too many, boom, there we go. And let's check our answer, and we got it, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.